Good morning from the Chattanooga Weather Desk and Tennessee Stormwatch Center. This is Steve. The current time is 2:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is currently Friday. I want to wish each and every one of you a happy Valentine's Day weekend. As you can see here, not much really going on for the weekend for the Tennessee Valley and parts of the northwest parts of Georgia. It looks like high pressure is going to be in control over the weekend. However, southerly moisture and will stream from the Gulf Coast to Mexico. And as you see, a low pressure that's starting to develop rapidly over parts of southwestern Brownville, Texas, will work its way off to the northeast. And as that interacts with a powerful jet stream that's coming over in and out of Canada and into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, that's what's going to bring our winter scenario into early next week. However, I'm not going to talk about that right now, as I'm still watching some things come together. Winter weather system is possible by next week. Please stay tuned for more posts, updates, watches, or warnings that are mainly issued by the National Weather Service. And you can also find those on Chattanooga Weather as well as here on my YouTube. One thing I do want to talk about is the cold temperatures, and this is actually from the National Weather Service office. Cold temperatures expected late this weekend, as there appears to be some dangerous wind chill readings, anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees over the mountain areas, and anywhere from below 0 to 10 above 0 across the Tennessee Valley Saturday night and Sunday morning. We're talking single digits, folks. So as you parents that wait outside for your kids to get them on the school bus or either off the school bus, please make sure to keep bundled up. Make sure to bundle up your children properly. Make sure that all areas of the body are covered with warmth. Remember that also exposed pipes may freeze, and there is this cold air can also be a threat to outdoor pets and livestock. So National Weather Service is just basically saying these are some results that can happen. So here's some things you could do to probably prepare. The number one thing, of course, is safety. Make sure that you dress appropriately, especially if outdoors, especially when children are waiting on the school bus. Cover or insulate your exposed pipes. Bring in your pets and make sure your livestock stays well warm. Another hint you may want to take in as an advisement is check on elderly or those who are not very well kept with heat. Again, not too much going on in the weather wrap this weekend. Any storm systems the storm system that comes out of Canada and any moisture that picks up should stay well cut off to the south. But the energy that's kind of draped over the northeast will maybe bring some light, moderate snow showers for the northeastern states, while it does appear that a stronger storm system will affect the northeast. However, will stay more in that direction and will keep mostly just partly cloudy skies across all of the Tennessee Valley, as temperatures will hover in between the 30s and 40s. Be careful, Monday's going to be a different story. All that cold air is going to start plunging more south from out of Canada, and you will see a difference. Temperatures will not be as warm as they were on Friday or Saturday on Monday. It looks like Monday is going to be the coldest, so therefore you may want to prepare yourselves, bundle up, and watch for any special weather statements, watches or warnings that are issued winter weather-wise by the National Weather Service. Again, there you see that cold front I was telling you about coming out of Canada. Pretty well is going to overtake the Ohio Valley down through parts of the plains, keeping any chances for snow or rain on up into the northern plains. While it does appear some extra energy, some strength will take the Great Lakes and the parts of the Ohio Valley, wrap around moisture, and the lake effects will bring snow to that region. While it does appear the blocking ridge will continue over Maine and into parts of the island up there. Once the system passes further south across the Tennessee and Ohio Valley, it does appear we will see an extra very dangerously shot of cold air, therefore keeping any temperatures from rising, and as well as we have a very good strong flow of moisture that starts opening up late this weekend into next week. So things could get rather interesting. Once again, make sure to stay bundled up. Exposed pipes may freeze. Be sure to take care of those pipes. Bring and provide shelter for pets and livestock. And always check on the elderly, as it does appear to be a very cold weekend and early next week. I do want to thank Paul Baker Sr. from the California's Blue Wolf Storm Center for keeping people updated on the Chattanooga weather page as well. Please look his weather page up and like it. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm sure Paul will be able to answer those as much as he can. That's it for the Chattanooga Weather Desk and Tennessee Storm Watch. Remember, stay safe, stay warm, bundled up, and I'll keep you further updated.